you ever seen this trick before? So if you want to speed up your processing time for sets, try this one out. So all I did to get the rod is take some sheets of Reynolds wrap and then roll it into a cylinder shape. My client is freshly shampooed, and I just take a good amount of Nairobi foam, comb through on a diagonal section of her hair, and make sure the foam is distributed on all strands. This is a setting foam so that the curl can actually set for days. And then I go in and I wrap and twist the hair around the rod very tightly. So what's cool is that this is actually made of foil, and so the foil heats up hotter than the rods, so you cut the rod set time underneath the dryer in half. And you know sitting under the dryer is the worst part, so this really speeds it up. So if you want bigger rods, it's very easy to do. You just add more foil and roll it together and it will get bigger. After that, just sit under the dryer till it's 100% dry and watch these results.